Hi guys, so before I really get into this video, I just want to quickly run over what I plan on doing. If you guys saw my extreme closet declutter and organize, and you guys kind of already know what I'm planning on doing, but if you didn't, let me just explain. So I was an extreme couponer and I had a huge stockpile of stuff, and also I like to clearance shop. So when I see something that could be potentially a really good gift for somebody in the future, like for birthdays, Christmas, or whatever, I buy it. So I have a ton of stuff which I'll show you guys, cleaning, personal care, beauty care, and gifts, and I have a ton of it, and I went through it of what I want to get rid of and what I want to keep, and now I have a bunch of stuff that I want to, that's perfectly fine, never used, and someone else can use it. So I'm making these care packages, if that's what you want to call it, for some friends and family during this quarantine time. And what I'm going to do is I bought these bins from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to fill each one up, fill a ton of them up, and then I'm going to drop them off at the friends and family's doorsteps so that obviously we don't have to come in contact. And I don't know if I'm going to text them that I left something. I don't know if I'm going to record it either, because some people don't want to be on camera. So as far as that, I'm not sure, but I just am super excited to make these. I finally went to the dollar store and bought the bins. So my next step now is to go through what I'm going to, here, let me show you. So this is the pile of stockpile stuff, and then I still have all the gifts in my closet. But what I plan on doing is I got these bins, actually I've had these bins, and I'm going to sort like items into each bin. So all of the toilet bowl cleaners are going to go in one bin, and all of the disinfectants are going to go in one bin, and all of the candles are going to go in one bin. And that way everything's sorted into bins so that when I'm making the baskets, which are going to be in here, I can just grab one from each and fill it up, and it'll be a lot quicker process. So I hope that makes sense. So let me get started organizing these items into bins, and then we will start making these packages or baskets. If you guys have done something similar for your guys' friends or family, like making gifts or care packages, or you guys plan on doing it, definitely let me know in the comments. I'd love to know, and if you guys have any questions on maybe what you should get or how to do it, definitely ask me in the comments. I'd love to talk to you guys down there.
With the speed of light, we cross the stratosphere. Oh yeah.
So now that I had all my stockpile stuff sorted into bins or baskets, now I was going through my gift boxes, and this is what I was talking about earlier, where if I find something either off season or on clearance, I'll buy it and use it as a future gift. So I have a kind of adult bin for obviously adults, and then this one is my kid bin where I keep anything for kids. And if you guys don't know, I nanny, so obviously I have a lot of kids' birthdays and stuff, so that's why I kind of do it. But I was just going through and picking out things that I could put in the baskets, because some of them were for some of my nanny families. So I was just going through and picking out stuff for the kids, as well as my friends' birthdays or stuff like that. Alright guys, so I have two kind of made already. I think that this is how they're going to stay. So this one is for a family. They have a 2-year-old, and I think she's 5 or 6. I don't remember exactly. So I just included this cute little frozen sock, 12 days of socks. It's you open one each day. And then I have a body wash, hand wash, body lotion, a candle, a multi-surface cleaner, and a dish soap. And I think that's going to be one. And then this family, they have a 3-month-old and a almost 3-year-old. So I gave them a Barbie doll for the 3-year-old, some bubbles for the 3-year-old, some cute little outfits for the 3-month-old, even though she's only 3 months. These are 6 months, but she should still be able to wear these in the summer. Not dish soap, hand soap, multi-surface cleaner, a baby Ganix bubble bath soap, and a candle. So I think that's kind of like what we're gonna do. I want to make sure everyone gets at least a hand soap and a candle and a cleaner, and then of course the kids will get like either their toys or their clothes, and then we'll just kind of see. I'm just kind of seeing what fits. These baskets are a little smaller than I thought, but I think that's okay. I think they're gonna work. So yeah. If you guys are enjoying this video so far, I would love to have you subscribe, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on your bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. I upload mostly cleaning, organizing, and decluttering related content, and I actually have a whole house clean and declutter coming up on Thursday, so definitely subscribe so you guys can get notified when I upload that. So these are the finished baskets. I only ended up doing, well, I did 9 baskets, but for 8 people, one person gets 2 baskets because she's been asking for some stuff. And if you guys want to see me do the drop-offs, I'm going to actually do them on my Instagram stories. So I'll leave my Instagram right here, and I'll also link it down below in the description box so you guys can check it out. If you're interested to see me do drop-offs and some reactions, I don't want to record people if they don't want to be recorded, but if they don't mind, then I'll do the reactions because I think those are always fun to watch. I also post daily on my Instagram with tap to cleans and speed cleans, as well as just updates on my daily life. So definitely follow me over on Instagram. I'd love to have you guys there. Also, I want to show you guys, this is my donation bin. So this is stuff that I didn't end up putting in the baskets, but I'm probably going to donate to like a shelter or something. So I had a pretty big box, and I'm proud to give this away. So don't forget to hit that like button, and I will talk to you guys on Thursday for that whole house clean and declutter with me. Bye.